welcome back to another WordPress for Beginners video by me, Laura at the Badass Business Mum. And today we are talking menus. So this particular theme I'm using at the moment has got 3 menus. So we've got this top menu up here, we've got the main menu here, and we've also got a little social menu up here in the top right as well. Some themes will only have one. It just depends entirely on the theme that you have got. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to create a new menu and how to assign which location you want it to appear at. So to work with your menus, we go to Appearance and then Menus on your dashboard. And what we've got here, this is the current menus I've got. So if I want to edit any of the menus that I've got, we just select the different menus here. So I've got my main menu, which is currently set to the primary position. And then because I set up my menu for this theme, I've just called it top menu, which is the position for that menu. So, and this is my social menu. But what I'm going to do is show you how to create a new one. So if we want to make a new one, we simply click Create a New Menu. And then we have to give it a name. So call it Test Menu. And then Create Menu to then create it. Right, and here we now can build our menu. So to build our menu, we decide here what we want to add. So we can add pages. So might be the pages that you've got. So you might want to, like on my top menu, I've got my legal pages added to that, but you maybe want to add perhaps your service pages or maybe an opt-in page for your freebie or something like that. You can add specific posts. So maybe if you've got posts that you want to share, perhaps your most important posts, your pillar content, then you can then select from your posts. You can also add custom links. So if you wanted to add to an external website, so say perhaps if you had an Etsy shop, you could put a link direct to your Etsy shop in your menu. So you just simply copy and paste the link to that shop in there and then add that to your menu. And then you can also add your categories to your blog. So especially if you had a lifestyle blog, you might want to make it really easy for your readers to only get on there, read the categories that they're interested in. So you could then put your categories in your menu as well. So let's just show you how that works. We'll add a few bits and bobs. So right, so let's add some pages. So let's just add a couple. So we just select the ones we want to add. And then simply click Add to Menu. And then we've got them all added over here. Now, if we want to move them around, we can simply just pick them up and move them. So if you've got something that you want to be seen first, generally people take most notice of menu items at the beginning and the end of a menu. So you might want to bear that in mind when you are rearranging your menu. So that's my menu all created. And then we've also got a few menu settings down here. So one thing you can do is automatically add top level pages to the menu. So if you wanted to add every single page you created to that menu, you would select that, which I wouldn't actually recommend because that could end up getting very untidy very quickly. And then this is the display location. So if we decided I wanted that menu in the top menu, which we'll do there. So we'll say we want that displayed at the top instead of the menu that I've currently got at the top. We'll select this top menu button, and then to save it all, we just click Save. If we did want to delete it, we perhaps decided we didn't want that menu anymore, just simply click Delete, and that would then get rid of that. So we'll save it instead. And you see there it's been updated. So if we then head over to our blog and refresh that, then that should change our top menu and add our new menu to it, which you can see it's done. So that's the menu that I've just added. So we've now got our new menu up the top of our blog. So if we wanted to move that or edit that at all, we just head back to menu, select a menu to edit. So we got test menu there. And we could also, so we could perhaps, maybe we weren't doing our pony trekking holidays, so we could just remove that. So if we just open that up and then click remove, and then that got rid of, and then we'd have to save that as well to make those changes live on your blog. So we've done that. So now let's pretend we want to move that menu and make that menu now our primary menu. So if we go to manage locations, I'll tell you here it's been updated. So if we go to manage locations, and then see it says here your theme supports 2 menus, so we can then change it. So if we are going to put our test menu in our primary location, and obviously we don't want our menu in 2 places, so we'll put our main menu up in the top menu position. Again, hit save changes. Always make sure you save everything. And when that's done, it will tell you up there that the locations have been updated. And then if we head back over here to our blog, we can then refresh it so we can see the changes. So now you can see that was the primary menu is now up here in the top menu, and this is our new menu. My test menu is now down here in the primary menu area. So I hope you found that helpful. If you do have any questions, just put them down in the comments and I will get back to you. And if you are looking for more videos about WordPress for beginners, just hit subscribe and you'll get notified when I add any more videos to this series. Thanks very much for watching.